In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disconnect Google account from Claude AI. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in your account, what to click, and what to expect after disconnecting. Start by opening your preferred web browser and searching for Claude AI. In the results, choose the official site so you're on the correct platform. Look for the trusted domain and the secure padlock in your browser's address bar as a quick check that you're in the right place. Once you're on the Claude sign-in page, click Continue with Google. This signs you in using your Google credentials so you can access the settings tied to your Google connection. If you're already signed in, you'll be taken straight to your Claude home or dashboard. If you see multiple Google accounts, pick the one that's currently connected to Claude so you can manage the correct integration. After you're in, look to the bottom left corner of the Claude interface and click your profile avatar or your initials. That opens your account menu. From there, select Settings or Customize, depending on what your plan or workspace calls it. Don't worry if the wording is slightly different. You're heading to the place where you manage your account preferences. Inside that menu, go to the Connectors section. This is where Claude lists the services it can connect to on your behalf. You should see entries for commonly used tools, including Google. Find the Google Drive or Google Workspace connector and click on it. This entry represents the permissions Claude uses to access your Google Files or Workspace data during chats. Opening it will show you the current connection status and available actions. Now click Disconnect. When a confirmation prompt appears, confirm your choice. This step removes Claude's access to your Google account for that connector. The process is quick, and you should see the status update to show that it's no longer connected. A few notes to set expectations. Disconnecting here doesn't delete any files from your Google Drive or Workspace. It only revokes Claude's ability to read or use them in future conversations. If you start a new chat after this, Claude will no longer be able to pull data from your Google account unless you reconnect later. If you don't see the connector, you may be viewing the wrong workspace, or you might not have permission to manage integrations. In that case, check that you're signed into the correct account and workspace, then try again. That's it. You've successfully disconnected your Google account from Claude AI.